GLITZGLAMFAM! Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Today we're going to be doing the June Glitzglambox unboxing, so get excited, okay? The theme is greetings from the Jersey Shore. Everyone get excited, okay? Our postcards are missing in transit. That's a whole nother story. We're doing mermaid vibes on the eyes. On my under the sea outfit on. So, if you want to see what is in the June Glitzglambox, keep watching. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Okay, so if you don't know me, if you don't know who I am Chanelle, the Glitzglambox CEO. Started Glitzglambox with my sister years and years and years ago, and the rest is history. So, every month I do an unboxing on my channel, GLITZGLAMFAM. See if we can get my hair together, guys. It's pouring down raining, so I didn't even attempt to do my hair. I was gonna do a ponytail. My sister's like, you're really gonna try to keep your edges together with a ponytail? Girl, give it up. So we gave up and we're just doing the slick back type of deal. so yeah, so guys, okay, let's get into the June Glitzglambox. So the theme is greetings from the Jersey Shore. You'll kind of see why. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so the first item that we have is the Silk Lips Nourishing Lip Butters, which are infused with shea butter, and it's a twin pack, so it's a duo, so you get two, and these are really cool. So these are lip butters. So we wanted to, you know, we always give out like lipsticks, lip glosses, but this is a balm, so this is like nourishing for your lips. So yeah, so this is the first item. There's two different variations. This one is the coconut water grapefruit one, so that's this version. And then there's the orange blossom and rose, so that is this version. I'm not sure if these are going to be on the site for Double the Glam. Hopefully they will be. If not, you know, they're both are good. So yeah, so let me know which one you guys get in your box down below. So yeah, these are from our friends over at Color Story. Now the next thing that we have are these are my babies. Y'all know, okay? You guys know these are my babies. Hello, you know what I'm wearing. These are the Never Basic lashes. So this is the Under the Sea collection, and if you can see, it's little seashells, which I can't. Okay, so my sister drew this box. Lauren, shout out to Lauren on the graphics. She literally drew this box and then we made it. And it has a little starfish on the back. I can't. It's so cute. It's so cute. And I can't. And the rainbow, the holographic. Hello. By the way, this is the Smokey Kitty palette from Hot Kitty Beauty, my makeup line. So if you want to pick that up, the discount code is GGFix. So that's over on hotkittybeauty.com. But yeah, so this is the pressed glitter. No glitter glue, no fallout. You guys can see I test all my stuff out. But anyway, these are the lashes. So we have two different variations. We have Splish Splash, which is a little more dramatic. I'm gonna take these out of the pack, and these are clamshell, which you guys know I had to give a wispy for my natural girls. I had to give a wispy. It's a thick wispy. She's thick, okay, but it's a wispy. Okay, so these are my clamshell. These are clamshell. So if you can see, they're a little long and thick, but they're still wispy. Like, see, you can still kind of see through them. So I just love wispies. Like, wispies are my jam, okay? I love wispies. And so these are Splish Splash. So these are a little more, they're way darker. So way darker. And these are for, you know, these are for my drama girls. They're short, but they're dramatic. So if you can see that, and they're still spiky. So these are clamshell, and these are Splish Splash. So I just love these. We thought they went really good with the mermaid type theme. So yeah, these are the Splish Splash I have on now. I wanted to wear clamshell, but long story. But yeah, so here are the two different lash variations. The next thing we're giving out is a Seashell Brush. I love, like, guys, can we get into this detail? And then this is the mini detail brush. So you can do liner with this brush. You can see, like I put on the pressed glitter with this brush, and then I just use my finger and blend it out. So yeah, so, but anyway, the handle is a mermaid, and it's like, gives me so much life. I just love this, and it like matches the, well, you guys know I love to matchy match, but yeah, so there are different variations of this brush. We have like a rainbow one. We have this gorgeous pink and turquoise one. So yeah, you guys are gonna get one of these also. And then the last item is the Ocean Oasis palette from Color Story. So this is from our friends over at Color Story, and then you open it up and they have like the little like sea urchins, whatever these are, the under the sea things, and it has the mirror, the triangle mirror, and then it has, what is this, 16 shades. So guys, can we get into this? And it has 2 pressed glitters, so let's get into this Color Story. And the reason I wanted this for the GLITZGLAMFAM was this shade right here. So this is like it's like a silvery blue marbled, and it looked like a jawbreaker to me. So I was just like, okay, I need this. Like, I need this for the GLITZGLAMFAM. So you're gonna get this whole palette. It's very heavy. Yeah, and I can't wait to see the looks that everyone does. So I did like kind of a mermaid vibes in this look here. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? I know it's a lot, but that's okay. That's okay, guys. Okay, so that is the June Glitzglambox this month. July, should I give a spoiler for July? We're not gonna give a spoiler for July, but yeah, I just love this. I love this month. I wish I could show you guys the postcard. It's really, really cute. Maybe I'll put a picture in here. But our postcards got lost. They're lost. Like, FedEx has not delivered them from the printers. So guys, I'm gonna be really upset if I have to send out a digital version. I'm gonna be really flippin' upset. Okay, so guys, to enter the giveaway this month, please let me know, what is your favorite item from this month? What do you think of the Greetings from the Jersey Shore theme? Yeah, guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you can see all my new videos and see all these makeup looks that I create. This one was it's a little wild, but you know, I wanted to give like mermaid type vibes, and I just wanted to, it's reading a little more interstellar to me, like galactic than mermaid, but I still like it. So let me know what you guys think down below, because I haven't done a crazy look in a while. So I was like, let me get a little crazy today. Yeah, so I kept it kind of simple on the face. but yeah. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you enter the giveaway. The winner from last month, I'm gonna put right here. Congratulations. Yay! You guys know the drill. Contact me, track me down to claim your prize. And yeah, guys, enter this month's giveaway so you can win possibly a Glitzglambox, maybe something else. The prizes vary, depends if we sell out, because we're almost sold out this month. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye.